All right, here we go. Got a Dodge Ram starter. My coworker was working on this, and then she did an oil change, and then oh man, she did an oil change, and then it wouldn't start. So your boy had to pound on the starter, and then it started. So intermittent starter. So we're gonna go ahead and just do it. Inject some 7 dust into your veins. All right. Should be good with that. I pre-lifted it, so I knew it'd be back today. The guy had to drop it off, so. Really not too bad. See if I get some light in there for y'all. I'm gonna get out of this one. I think I should be good, maybe higher. Oh, I don't know if this is the right one, actually. Oh, no, it is. Let's see what else we got here. I think that's a 13. Yeah, 13 for the cable. And then 15s on the mounting bolts. So, yeah. Maybe that little one. Sometimes they get pretty stuck. I might have just lifted it a little too tall. Don't worry. It's okay. Okay. Whoops. There we go. So I've had to do these in the parking lot because they just Dodge for some reason sucks with starters, but this one doesn't have a plate in its way. Far easier. Far easier, man. gonna make me. It's okay. Man, that shit's stuck. Uh-oh. Yeah-oh. There we go. There we go, there we go. Starting to scare me. So all I need is a break of starter bolt. Come on, man. Alright, let's just get this thing out and get it in. Okay. Take a look at this bolt. Not too bad. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, see there's a tab. Alright, cool. Might not be able to see that too well, but it's right there. Alright, there we go. Just a little bit. Don't do that, kids. Okay, there we go. Do not do that, kids. Don't let stuff hang by the wires. Alright. So. Cool. I'll put that thing back on now. Sometimes they're hard to get back on. Yeah, that one is. There we go. Sometimes they're hard to put back on. Yeah, might as well just throw this thing back on too while we're at it. Sure it's on all the way in a second. Alright, which way does it want to go? Sideways, probably. Maybe we'll just wait to put that one back on because it's not cooperating. shoulders, boy. Alright, this thing's broken anyways. But actually I can zip tie it, so. Oh man. That one's being pretty stubborn for whatever reason. Had a little bit of rust, but the cable's fighting me, man. Oops. Alright. There it is. Alright. Let's see if I can find it. Alright. Beautiful. Shot myself in the foot on that one. Hey, it started with a new starter. What do you know? Let's try it again. No way. Well, we're gonna have to check the cables. Yeah, my bad, the battery was just a little bit low, so it didn't want to start. I did a diff service before I did the starter, because I guess they submitted for the starter but approved the diff services, so I had to run the machine off the battery. So the battery was at 12.4 volts, so I just needed it to be a 12.7, so we'll let it run and then we'll call it good.